Hello and welcome to my short video of this VW Crafter medium wheelbase. It's a Trendline model. It comes with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine. It also comes with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's a front wheel drive and it also comes with a business pack. It's a U70 plate and it comes fully VW approved. This vehicle comes in candy white. And now for a quick walk around the vehicle. To the front of the vehicle, it comes with front assist with emergency city braking. It also comes with front parking sensors. It also comes with a nice chrome strip at the centre top grille. This Crafter comes with 16-inch steel wheels. To the passenger side of the vehicle, it comes with a side loading door. To the rear of the Crafter, it comes with rear wing doors. The wing doors are also on 270-degree hinges. It also comes with rear parking sensors. And now for a quick look inside the vehicle.
The interior comes with 3 comfortable seats in Austin cloth in titanium black. The driver's seat comes with a handy armrest for more comfort on long journeys. At the back of the front seat, it comes with a steel bulkhead. It also comes with some handy overhead storage. This specific Crafter comes with a flat bottom steering wheel. This is ideal for ease of getting in and out of the vehicle. It also comes with cruise control functions on the steering wheel. This Crafter has covered 14,029 miles. It also comes with a 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with a system called App Connect. This allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also comes with DAB radio. It also comes with Park Pilot technology. This is ideal for your front and rear parking sensors, so it warns you when you're getting closer to a parked vehicle when parking up. It also comes with air conditioning, the 6-speed manual gearbox. And now for a quick look at the load area. The rear load area comes fully wood ply lined. It also comes with some load anchorage points on the floor. As I mentioned earlier in the video, it comes with a 270-degree loading doors. And that's then working. Just show you the view from the side loading door. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. We'll also be able to do you a personalised video on request to answer your questions on the vehicle. And thank you for your time.